Good morning, second graders. Today is Monday, April 20th. And I think this is we're starting our week number 4. I think. You can let me know if I'm wrong. So that means that all of us have finished 3 weeks of distance learning. Good job, all of us. And I think also, so we've done 3 weeks of distance learning, and then before our distance learning started, we had our week of spring break. So that was another week, and then we had like a week before that too. So I think we've been home for like 5 weeks. Crazy. Anywho, I hope you had a lovely weekend. Um, it was really nice. Yesterday was a little bit chilly, but Saturday was gorgeous. So I hope you were able to get outside. We went on a little nature walk. There's a little nature area that we like to go to when we walked around. And we saw some geese and ducks, and we saw a few turtles on some logs. So that was kind of fun. We were kind of laughing because all the ducks were going, well, not all, quite a few of them were like eating, and then when they eat, the little ducks, their little bums, their little butts stick up in the air. So we were like, duck bums, look at the cute little duck bums in the pond. So it was really cute. We're like, oh, there's another. So that was really fun. I hope you were able to get outside this weekend. And now that we are just getting closer and closer to this springtime weather, I know later on in the week we're going to get I heard almost up to 70 degrees, so that'll be really nice. I think today is supposed to be a little bit warmer than yesterday, but we have a chance of some showers in the afternoon, a little bit of precipitation, so be prepared for that. Let's see. Yesterday was the weekend. We did not have a check-in question. Oh, and you didn't have school or classes on Friday. So I hope that was kind of a nice, relaxing day for you to get caught up on a few things. And if you didn't have a chance to try the scavenger hunt yet for the Minneapolis Institute of Art, you might want to check that out. So we do have some new things this week for in our Google Classroom. So we have, well, maybe we'll just look at this. So we have the regular today's check-in question. And today our check-in question has to do with history. So Mondays we do history. And it has to do with Japanese knights. So we learned about knights in England. And now we're going to learn about how in Japan they also had a feudal system like they did in England. And so they had kind of a warrior class of people. And these were called the samurai. And so this is always kind of a fun, exciting unit with the samurai warriors of Japan. So you can think about, how are those samurai warriors of Japan similar to the knights that they had in England, and also how were they different? So if we were in school, we would make a little Venn diagram about how were they similar and how were they different. And one way they were different is really kind of neat, and it has to do with being artistic and creative. And I took a little bit of time yesterday to be creative, and I made some little collages. So maybe I'll show you guys some of those, because we were talking about art last week. So I should show you what I made. Okay, so we have our history check-in today. Has to do with samurai, the Japanese warriors. And we have our usual spelling, a little bit of math, a little bit of reading, and then we have our optional activities. Let me quickly show you our spelling words for today. Here we go. So we have linen. That's a type of fabric that sometimes people like to wear in the summer and the spring. It's kind of light, but it gets very wrinkly. We have mixture, nation, pause, and peace. Peace. Be friendly. Let's be friendly. This is a noun that I really like. Peace. All right. So those are our spelling words for today, and then we have, like I said, some optional activities. We have history, we have art, science. We'll do science tomorrow. Oh, for art, so that MIA online scavenger hunt, you check that out. Also, Miss Tuma she has like an optional origami thing that we can do. I think it's making flowers, like tulips. That'll be fun. Miss Urbach has some new stuff for us in music. So she has a few songs that she recorded, The Happy Wanderer and I'm Lucky There's a Sun. I really like that song. So, oh, and Miss Urbach wanted to sing that song because this Wednesday is Earth Day. So you can start thinking about, ooh, what does that mean, Earth Day? Maybe you can do a little research on it and then start planning ahead for something that you could do to help the earth this week. And we'll talk more about that in the next couple days. But Wednesday is Earth Day. And I also feel thankful that we have the sun. Think about the sun. It warms us, it heats the earth, it helps us have our weather, um, gives us vitamin D, makes us healthy. So, anyway, let's start thinking about Earth Day. That's on Wednesday. So Miss Urbach has some special songs. Also, kind of a fun. She has a couple other fun links that you should check out. There's one about an instrument called a hurdy-gurdy. I have not watched it yet, but I'm excited to do that. All right, so this is what we're going to do for today. And let's see. Oh, and Miss Tuzana is going to start posting. I think she already did. She posted her little announcements that she does each day. She's going to post those on our Google Classroom, so you can see those too. If you haven't been on Seesaw, um, now you can kind of see that here in our Google Classroom, so that'll be nice. Oh, because I did notice Miss Tuzana said today is National Look-alike Day, so you could think about, oh, who do I look like? Do I look like anybody? Although you are each unique, very special, no one is exactly like you. All right, our secret scholar for today. I heard that this secret scholar has been really helpful around the house. She has been making breakfast for her brothers so that her mom can get some work done and just being a really helpful scholar. So, showing lots of justice, generosity, and kindness. Great job, Stella. Nice work, Stella. Woohoo! Keep it up. Thank you for helping your family at home, for making breakfast, and just generally helping with your two little brothers. Nice job, Stella. All right. So let's go to today and every day. Learn something new. Try your best. Be kind to one another. Let's make today the best day yet. It's a great day to be a knight. Have a fabulous day, scholars. Oh, let me stop it.